This product was sent to me for my honest review. This is a standard and more manual version of the JOYTUTUS line of bed tents, which will be installed into a 6.5-foot Ford F150 truck bed. Now, the instructions are attached to the bag and sewn so you can't lose them. Now simply go ahead and grab your fiberglass poles and start to assemble them because there are quite a few of them. You have 2 that are medium sized, you have 1 large one, 1 short one, and 2 little short spares. Now pay attention to this diagram very carefully because it's kind of a process. Take the 2 equal sized poles and crisscross applesauce them as an X from each side of the opening of the tent. Like I said, it's a little bit of manual work here, so you're going to have to manipulate the rods through the sleeves. Then take the largest rod and do the same thing on the rear of the tent, right at the opening. Once you're done tussling with that rod, simply grab the little short one, then run it through the black loops and then into the round rings on the middle and the end, which connects it with the longer rod. Just remember, make an X, then an L, and connect in the center. Then just grab the rest of the loops on all the 4 ends like so, and make sure that all of the hoops are connected to the long rods on all 4 corners. So I did say you got to put a little manual work in, right? So you want to insert the ends into the little pockets on each 4 corners of the tent. Placing all 4 ends into each corner pocket lifts everything upright. Along the way, you're going to have to adjust it accordingly to make the poles go smoothly through the sleeve and connect to each pocket. As you can see, it can take a little bit of work, but literally just takes a few minutes. Now you can see a nice structure starting to form along the top, which really feels sturdy enough to hold up in a storm. Then along the edges, you want to grab the straps with the little hook on the end, as you can see, and then tuck them underneath the chassis. Then go ahead and tighten all the straps all around the edges to create a nice snug fit. Here's a quick 180 shot of the whole thing pretty much assembled on the exterior. Now let's do a tour of the inside. On the interior, you have a grand entrance with 2 windows on each side. Each has a shade, a netted screen to allow ventilation, and a zip-up pocket in the back. Tent felt high quality with nothing negative to say. I hope this video was helpful.